Do you remember this question from the test? We're watching our colleague Tomoko struggle because her microphone is not turned on. But you want to stand up and tell her what's happening. Based on what we went over in this lesson, if you said, "Tomoko, your mic isn't on," that's a problem of the pronouns. "Tomoko, you made a problem. You turn on the mic. Come on," right? When there's a problem, you don't put it on you. Maybe, "I'm afraid, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to tell you exactly the answer because I want you to come up with your original, and you want to share that with your group." I will say this. Some of the highest scoring answers during the test gave a short answer, just a single sentence. That's all that's really needed here. If you continue to go on and say, "Tomoko, I'd really like to hear what you're saying, but unfortunately, due to the fact that the microphone isn't turned on, in the absence of any audio, I am unable to enjoy your wonderful presentation," please don't say it like that. It's over the top. Direct, compact, yet polite. That's what we're aiming for, and that's a very hard balance. I can't always get it either, but I'm trying to. You may want to use a modal here. Maybe might or could or would you. So that's kind of a combination. If you're going to use the pronoun you, it helps to put would before it because then it's a lot softer. So please try to answer this one in a new way and share that with your group. What is our second one? Do you remember? Oops. Okay, your lab hosted an exchange student from Vietnam, and he collaborated with you, and you both got some good results. How do you say goodbye to him? Now, this one probably needs more than one sentence, because if you only said, "Thank you very much, Tron, for your hard work. See you next time," it's a little short to say goodbye to a person, so probably appropriate to say 2 or 3 sentences, depending on how long they are. But I suppose you should acknowledge his coming, acknowledge the benefit, and say something about the future. Have a nice trip. I hope we can see each other again in the future. So again, see if there's any set phrases. I have a feeling like due to might be good in this one, or as well as might fit well in this situation. So again, do your best, and I believe that among your group, you look at each other's answers, listen to each other's answers, and you're going to find a nice solution to these problems.